Riverfish.
Riverfish here, and today I'm fishing at the Mount Pleasant Nature Park. So I'm going to start off in the big pond right here. I'll try a few different things here, see if we can catch anything. Hopefully I'm going to have enough time to get to some of the other places too. Try out the smaller pond over here. I don't know, there's different fish in each one, so we'll see what we can catch today. There we go. It's something. It's not huge. It's a fish though. It is this guy. Alright, well, first fish of the day. He's not very big. He's got huge spines though. Man. Yeah, not very big. Alright, let's try for another one. Oh, there we go. Alright. This one's a little bigger than the other one, actually. Yeah, it's not bad for a sunfish. Decent sized one. There you go. Yeah, it's decent sized. There. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's something different. It's a little rock bass. Yeah, it's a different guy this time. It's the first one of these I've seen in here. Alright, got the hook out. There he is, one more look. And let's let him go. Yeah, there he is right there. Swimming off back into the current, I guess. Okay, so I've been fishing at this first pond for quite a while. I did manage to catch, 3 fish? So I'm going to try moving on to the other pond, the one just over here. See if we can catch something in there. So this is the second pond. I'm not sure if you can see them, but there's actually a ton of sunfish just hanging out right near the edge here. So I'm not sure if they're farther in or what they're doing. So see if we can catch some. There we go. No, no, yes, yes. No. Just a little one, but oh yeah, a really little one. It's a lot more colorful and bright than the other ones. All right. All right, there's one other look at him. So this is the third pond. As you can see, it looks quite a bit different than the other two. It has almost an entire coating of this green scum on it. So, oh, something's nibbling at my stuff. So I'm not sure if it's better or worse for the fish. They definitely have more spots to hide, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Got something. Got something. Oh, it's a perch? Yeah. Huh. Alright. There he is. Got the hook out. Alright, let's let him go. He's just going under the grass right here. There he goes. Alright. That is a surprise too. Okay, hit that subscribe button. So today turned out to be not too bad. I ended up catching 3 different kinds of fish here. Some sunfish, some rock bass, and even a perch. So, turned out pretty good. Okay, one last quick look around. Alright, I know there's still bass in here. Maybe next time we'll get one of those.